Nature, a beautiful nature. You see the ways that the world has sped you up. It's time to slow down. It's time to feel what it feels like being free again. Being out in the open, all your senses are stimulated. You take your shoes off now, you realise that that's the way that humans were always meant to do it. Ground, enjoy, touch, hug a tree. It's so healing. It feels so natural and good to be in nature. You can feel your hairs on your arm standing up. We were always meant to get the healing properties of nature, the slower pace. We've moved away from it, but we realise now nature is healing to animals, to birds, to humans. And you're embracing that now. You're embracing your time in nature. Feeling the grass, feeling the trees around you, feeling the breeze, that beautiful breeze. You feel it in your eyes, in your hair. It's so healing. It feels so free. You are free. You put your arms out now and it's like you're flying. It feels like you're flying in the sky. Just you and the beautiful nature around you. Slow the pace. The world has got you running in circles. And when it does, you want to be in nature now. You want to walk, you want to breathe. Breathe that beautiful oxygen in. Take it all in. It's all there to heal you. Use your senses. Visually, look around. Look at the colours. The colours are amazing.